Hello everyone, this is Ankush from Benchmarks Academy and I'm here to announce a fresh batch for you guys. Okay, so this is a very important announcement pertaining to those who are going to give the CA Foundation exams, in December 21. So we have seen that there are generally or majorly two type of students who are going to give the exam of CA Foundation in December 21. एक वो है जो जिन्होंने they have not given the exam in July 21 because they wanted to chill, after the 12th exams. They thought it is too early, in July, so might as well we'll wait and we'll study properly and give the exams in November, Then there are other type of people who had given the exam of CA Foundation in July 21 and unfortunately for some reason or the other, they were not able to clear the exam. There are some common problems faced by these guys which we are here to address. So what happens is, those who have not given the exams in July, they must have now realized the fact that 6-7 months were probably more than enough for CA Foundation. तो उनका पढ़ाई फिलहाल थोड़ा जोश में नहीं है, because normally पढ़ाई जोश में तब होगा जब भी पोर्शन बहुत है और टाइम बहुत कम है, which is definitely not the case for CA Foundation students. So उनका पढ़ाई फिलहाल थोड़ा ठंडा चल रहा है, Those who had given the exam in July, they have realized that they are missing something that was needed, to clear the exams at the first go. So these are some problems faced by the CA Foundation guys who are going to give the exam in December 21. So we are here with a common solution. We are having a CA Foundation crash course. Crash course में क्या होगा? Crash course में we are not going to invest 400 hours of teaching that we normally do for a CA Foundation student. So तुम लोग बोर नहीं होगे कि ये same पढ़ाई वापस करना है. At the same time, we will ensure that the students who had given the exam in July 21, the thing that they were missing is what they will be covering in the crash course. So you guys must have realized that questions of CA Foundation are not of a direct nature like 12th standard. एक common set, ऐसा format, ये step 1, step 2, step 3 आंसर आ गया. Questions आजकल थोड़े घुमा फिरा के पूछते. So we will cover all the difficult, tricky questions which you guys were having problems in, and those who are going to give the exam for the first time, उनके लिए तो यह नया होगा because they are now only used to common set of problems. So both these type of students are going to benefit a lot with the crash course. The crash course will start in the second week of October 8th. We are starting with the crash course. Crash course will be there for 20 days. तुम्हारा 20 days के अंदर entire maths and entire stats will be covered. I mean maths, stats and accounts, will be covered with all chapters, all concepts and all the tricky questions which are there in the past papers or in the MTP or RTP or your modules. So this is going to help both the type of students. Contact details are mentioned in the description below. So please feel free to register because दोनों type of students को ये beneficial होगा. Those who are going to attempt for the first time and those who are not cleared in the July, उनके लिए भी it is going to be extremely beneficial to undergo this course. Alright, so 8th October we will be starting. Registrations have opened. Please feel free to contact to have more details. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.